Hey guys, welcome to the 2023 Legends of the Autobahn and welcome to the Alpina stand. This is the first time that Alpina is sponsored an event, and of course they have a lot of cars around here. Even though there are quite a few classic cars, there is one that really stands out among all of them. This is the BMW ALPINA XB7 facelift. You've seen the car before, but now let's take a quick look at the design. So what's new on this car? First and foremost, the headlights. You can see for the first time it's featuring split headlights, just like the BMW X7 facelift. You have daytime running lights on top and of course the headlamps on the bottom. Naturally gets the same kidney grille as the X7, but the front end overall, it's got those nice Alpina touches. And what do I mean by that? If you take a look at the front bumper, you can see how different it actually is from the X7 M60i. It feels a lot more refined and maybe not as aggressive as you will see it on the M60i from BMW. Naturally, this is the Alpina blue, a very iconic color, and it just works really well with the massiveness, with the boldness of this XB7. What else has changed? If you go to the side, the car comes now available with 21 to 23 inch wheels. You can see massive, and of course, Alpina stays true to their spoke design. So very classy wheel design. And those are 285, 35, 23 inches, massive wheels and tires. And of course, you have the performance brakes behind the wheels. If you take a look from this side, you can also see a little bit more of that front end design, the nice lip on the bottom. Once again, very classy, very refined, but at the same time, it retains that aggressiveness of an Alpina product. Now, maybe let's find a spot to walk around the side and show you a little bit more, because we want to get to the back and really talk about the car. But before we do that, brand new engine under the hood as well. It's an S68 4.4 liter V8, makes 630 horsepower, 590 pounds-feet of torque. That's enough to take this car from 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. So let's move closely to the back. See, once again, typical X7 design, so really no changes from the side, but you will see some changes when you go to the back. And that starts really with the exhaust pipes. Typical Alpina round oval pipes right there compared to the squarish ones that you see on the BMW X7. Other than that, you just have little Alpina touches like the Alpina logo, of course, the XB7, which looks a little bit different than the logo on a BMW car. But overall, as I said, Alpina, it's not about changing the entire design of the car, but rather about adding those little fine touches that makes the car really special. I don't think this is open, but if we glance inside, it's actually not open, but maybe we can see it from the outside. Just like the X7, it's got a brand new interior design. Curved display, very large one, and then of course you have that interaction bar on the dashboard, and in the center console lots of crystals all around it, and the typical Alpina iDrive system, which is always very cool, especially the gear knob, really spectacular looking. So this is just a quick overview of the Alpina XB7. Maybe we take another look at the front. I just kind of wanted to show you the car from up close. I'm hoping to have a chance to drive the car really soon, because we want to see how the S68 handles in the XB7. So once again, Alpina blue, BMW Alpina XB7 facelift right here at the Legends of the Autobahn.